good evening to you on what is pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a cloud evident. The world and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. There are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of excitement and expectation. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. This is the lineup we've been given. How do you read it, Jim?
Reminders of a golden era in English football, I should add. And it continues to hold its place in the modern game. Playing a second striker runs the risk of being outnumbered in midfield, of course, so with the wider pairing and fullbacks, plenty of running has to be part of their play. And of course, the right service into the box.
So that's got things on the way. Giuliano. Just brushed off the ball there. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Big chance! And it's a goal!
That's the start dreams are made of, and that has to give them great confidence for what's to come. Darlington are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
Darlington go ahead, 1 goal to the good. Giuliano. Oh, well defended, that had to be done. Yep, it's a corner. Rakitsky tries to clear. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Good take, and he's had a look. Had a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Keeper's got good distance on that. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Well, the referee has made it pretty clear now that this is his last chance.
Well, I think the referee would have told him to rein it in or suffer the consequences.
Renato Sanchez plays it out to the flank. Hits one!
Well, I think when you're in that situation, all you can do is tip your hat to the keeper, because that was fantastic.
Hoists it forward. Puts in a cross. Yeah, he's fouled him there. He's gone for goal.
Ah, that's great.
Ah, he's given it away. There has been just the early goal here, and it's 1-0. Gets his foot in there. Zenit St. Petersburg have a free kick. He knows what's coming, a second yellow, and he's off. Well, the protest continues, but in the end they are defending the indefensible. Darlington are down to 10 men. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Referee's had a look. Game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. And if you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half.
Well, it's been tight, Peter, but I'm expecting things to open up now and we get some free-flowing football.
Goes for goal! He has done it! 2 up and threatening to pull clear. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, for me, you can't fault the keeper there. The effort went in at the widest possible point off the upright. Nothing he could do.
Darlington grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, at 1-0, this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
And it's played forward. Shapes to shoot! And out to safety. Juba.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
And now they can launch a counter. Good ball. Oh, he's broken through.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his team...
Has a hit! Oh, great save, real class.
Oh, that's a sparkling save, absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Gets good distance on it. Darlington get it back again. Forward it goes. Out of play for a goal kick. Martinez. Well read, he sorted that out. Trost with the slide tackle there. Good clearance and very necessary. Asmoon. A heavy challenge. Martinez. Oh, real danger here. Oh, shooting chance! And more, and more, and more. And surely that settles it.
Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat.
Zenit St. Petersburg making consecutive changes here.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious as to who was going to be taken off. His energy levels began to sag, and he was never going to last until the final whistle.
Darlington take a 3-goal lead, and they are romping out of sight. And that's been won straight back. He's gone for it! Big relief, it just needed better contact. So, time for changes on both sides, actually. Done very well to intervene. And there goes the final whistle. A demolition, destruction.